Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Charm review. This is a traffic software we're going to be taking a close look at today, and also, most importantly, I have put together some amazing custom bonuses for you to really help you get the best results using Charm. Charm goes live on the 13th of October by 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is the dashboard, this is the members area, and this is a software that's pretty easy to use, and it drives you traffic from Quora. But what I've actually noticed about Charm is it actually drives you traffic from a bunch of sources also. If you scroll down right here on the dashboard, you will notice that yes, you can get backlinks. You have the Quora traffic side, but you have access to a bunch of other tools that you can use. You have this one that actually allows you to blast traffic to a number of sources, but that's just one tiny bit of it. If you go here, you can actually connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. So if you go to Quora and Facebook, this basically allows you to drive traffic from Facebook also. So you can actually import your Facebook account. That means you can connect your account, and then you can do different types of posts, multimedia, call to action, carousel, video posts. You get access to comment growth tools also, and this is ultimately a traffic tool. Not only that, if you go to Quora and Instagram also, this also allows you to drive traffic to Instagram. All you need to do is click on create new post, and then this also, of course, you need to connect your Instagram account. This also allows you to send traffic to basically any link you want using Instagram. Also, if you scroll down a little bit, you get access to RSS auto posting. So this RSS basically allows you to fetch feeds from sources, news websites, or any other website that you want to fetch content from, which will automatically allow you to get some traffic, because this is content on your own site or wherever it is you want to send content to. You also get access to e-commerce autopilot. You get access to messenger WooCommerce, website comparison, email autopilot, SMS autopilot. You get access to a bunch of tools, and I hope all these tools are actually available in the front end version of Charm. You also get access to training that shows you the best way to get results with this. Having said that, I'm going to show you the custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with Charm. The first bonus you are going to be getting from me is a done for you traffic solution. Now, I'm going to be driving traffic for you. I'm going to be sending you my traffic ultimately. This traffic is YouTube traffic. If you know a thing or two about YouTube and review traffic, that is probably the best traffic that I know of, which is free. Yes, YouTube, might involve a bit of work, which so many people might not be, willing to do, because people have jobs. Some people are affiliate marketing to them is just a side also. Therefore, you don't have the time to do this. But this is where I come in here. All you need to do is go and get an upcoming product. A product that is about to be launched, maybe in some days time. Make sure you get approved for your link on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, and that is all you need to do. Get approved for your link, get your link, send me your link, and then I'll do my best to send you traffic. That's bonus number one. Bonus number two, you are going to be getting access to an automated Quora traffic software. Now, this is specifically targeted and tailored towards getting some high quality traffic from Quora. I think this is actually better. This is actually better than Charm itself, because this focuses on Quora and allows you to put everything on automation to get some free traffic in any niche from Quora. If you don't know about Quora, Quora is a question and answer platform. People come to ask questions and stuff like that. So because of this kind of questions, it shows that these people actually need to, they need help in these areas. And then any offer you're actually promoting on Quora, there are chances you're going to get conversions and sales. Now, this software actually takes care of everything, including content and everything you need to drive some high quality traffic from Quora. And that's bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, which is of course a limited time offer. I'm going to be giving you access to my own list, which is unheard of, which most people never do, but this is going to be for a limited time only. I'm going to be taking this down in just a matter of days. I'm not going to leave this, open forever. So I'm going to be giving you my email list of over 800 plus active subscribers. You're also going to be getting access to an autoresponder software. So you have everything you need to start getting traffic, free traffic that has cost me a lot of time and money to build up. You are going to be able to take advantage of that completely for free. Also, bonus number 4 is another traffic software. Now, you don't need to do any work. This is Octagon Pro. You'll be getting access to the Pro version of Octagon. This has done for you product reviews. This is what people can do. So many people can do because they are busy with life, busy doing some other things, busy working, busy enjoying their time. So you don't need to do the work because the work is done for you. Get access to done for you ClickBank and Warrior Plus product reviews. All you need to do is go and get your affiliate link. In the case of ClickBank, all you need to do is get your ClickBank affiliate ID, which is your ClickBank username. Add it to your Octagon profile, and then you are good to go. This comes with free traffic and also free traffic training. Also, you're going to be getting access to 4,000 plus images and quotes ready to go on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, any other social media platform that allows you to send traffic with images. These are done for you, and you will be able to use this on both Facebook and Instagram. Since you can actually set everything here on autopilot to keep delivering traffic to you, then this basically works, and then you can start driving traffic on autopilot. You can basically create a new post here. You have access to text, image, link, or video poster here, and then you can actually post now or schedule this to go out, and then set a time interval for this to keep going out. You ensure you add your affiliate link, to this. You can add it in your message, or you have the opportunity to actually post a link straight to Facebook, straight to Facebook page now, which is actually cool. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to another software that allows you to embed affiliate banners. Not just banners, you get access to a bunch of resources that you can actually, place links, on other people's videos. So you don't need content. You don't have to create your own content also. Place these links on other people's videos. Send traffic from these videos. In any niche, you are free to select these videos. Use them. Send traffic to any affiliate offer or wherever you want to send traffic to, which is pretty cool. You are going to be getting access. It's cloud-based, and this allows you to drive free, highly targeted traffic to any offer. And of course, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. And there's a ton of bonuses you are going to be getting from the vendor. I just wanted you to know that you are going to be getting access to all these bonuses from me also. These are probably the bonuses that other affiliates are going to be offering to you. But just to let you know that you are going to be getting access to all these vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses. And all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this page, which is going to take you to the sales page of Charm, where you're going to be able to pick it up. Once you do that, your bonuses are going to be waiting for you in your Warrior Plus receipt. Once you log into Warrior Plus, just go to your purchases, you'll find Charm, and then you'll find my bonus right next to it. So on this sales page, it says the most powerful one-click traffic app ever created. The world's first autopilot Cora machine gets you free viral traffic in 26 seconds without tech skills, manual work, or huge costs. Come check out the video in your own time. Proof of result here. Even my 92-year-old grandma can do this absolutely, because this is not rocket science. This is pretty easy to use. This is put together by Billy Da. So come check this out in your own time. If this sounds like something that might be of interest to you, then you'll be able to pick it up right here. You're going to find the link to my bonus page right in the description of this video. That's probably the only link in the description of this video. So this is pretty easy to use. You get access to questions. You can actually add questions, but you also get access to some questions that are done for you, I guess. This allows you to drive traffic. You get access to backlinks. Also, you get access to create backlinks. You also get access to URL shortener, which is cool. You get access to training, that shows you how to use this and how to get the best results with Charm. So that's it with Charm. I'm going to show you the pricing right now. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $17, which is pretty cool because you get access to a bunch of traffic solutions. If you don't like one, you can actually, go with the other one, which is cool. E-commerce pilot, Messenger, WooCommerce, and stuff like that. I think this is pretty cool because you get access to a bunch of tools that you can actually use to make some money. Also, upsell one, you get access to Charm Unlimited. This goes for $37. This is the unlimited edition of Charm. Has multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic. So this also gives you access to a funnel builder. If I'm correct, you get access to a funnel builder that also allows you, to create funnels and stuff like that. Now, I forgot to mention that this gives you access to a ton of products that you can actually select from. You get products from Warrior Plus, from ClickBank, which you can actually, view the sales page or go to get your affiliate link, which is pretty cool. You also get access to Funnel Builder also. I don't know where this is, but definitely you get access to Funnel Builder that allows you to create funnels also. Let me go back to the dashboard. I think I'm on the dashboard. But all in all, I do believe this is actually a pretty cool piece of software that allows you to easily make some money online. Upsell number 2, you get access to Done For You Edition that goes for $297. In this upgrade, our teams aims to deliver Done For You traffic and sales. Also, before I forget, you are going to find a full demo right here also on this bonus page. There's a full demo of Charm right here that shows you all the features. Upgrade number 3 is the Charm Automated Edition. This goes for $37, and you'll be able to activate all the automation tools with Charm. Upsell number 4 is the Done For You Template Club that goes for $39. You get 200 customizable video templates that you can use with Charm. Upsell number 5 is the 50x Click and Go campaigns. This goes for $39 also, and then you'll be given 50 proven TikTok campaigns that you can copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok. So that's going to be my review with Charm. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.